really like this bike.
Smooth. Second gear, to hit it, it's very nice. Perfect speed, nice road. Which is an old bike. The guy sold it to me on eBay, sold it to me kind of cracked, so it broke. So that sucks. The beautiful thing about living in Hialeah, Florida is that this used to be a nice factory district type of town. And in those factory districts, you can get stuff for the low. So I think for 20 bucks, they'll fix that up for me, which is one of the perks about living here. One of the only perks, because the other stuff is kind of gritty. But you know what? I love it here. I wouldn't want to live in any other town. I wish I could live in this house right here, though. I don't know who lives there, but definitely that guy has it made. Oh, dude, I just thought that was a mannequin. Dude, there's a guy in that suit. I see it moving around, and I was like, yo, where's the air thing? I didn't see it, and I was like, oh shit, there's a guy in there. Probably dying from the heat, dude. How hot is it today? 87. It's pretty warm, bro. Being that. Welcome to the factory district. Pretty much big part of our town. So I gotta find the dude that does the aluminum welding. I believe it's that one right there. Let's see if I can find a spot in the park.
Why is the Camry so shuttery?
So there we go.
Oh.
Ready to go. This bike came with this. Obviously it's an old bike from 2001, so there it is. Replaced thanks to the triangle. I was able to get this work done. And now, boom, there you go. No more problem with the damn kickstand leaning hard as it was.
Sorry, I fucked it up. Oh! And your friend that's got to get out of my engine. Damn, he's jammed in there real good. All right. Bro, he's going super far.
Yeah. 450 though.
Yeah. We live in Florida, so most Florida stuff is pretty like this. It's never that nice. Okay. Oh my God. Minecraft. Minecraft.
Park the trusty steed right there. We're about to go get some lunch inside the mall.
I'm not sure that's the right English.
This is lunch. Ooh, hey, what's up, little guy? Welcome to Don Quixote. Basically the Walmart of Japan, where you can find anything you want, right? Who's this guy? What's that all about? Look right there. Look, we blew it. Look, we can replace your thing now.
Sorry. You want it? You want to ass massage? Why is the devil here? What's that? What's with the devil? Huh? What is that for?
Devil wife. No. Devil wife, you know, one attack.
Is sex toy?
One shot. 違うよ、マッサージだよ。
Oh, it's a massage. Oh, dude, I don't know. I just saw a butt, so I was like, maybe. Damn. They have what I want. We should have came here to get a helmet, man. I just would have copped one of these and it would have been fine. These are way cheaper. Damn, we blew it. We blew it for sure. I would have bought the one I wanted, which I wanted to take one of these home for style.
This one?
Style points.
What's YouTuber?
Damn, and they're selling his stuff here? Wow.
Nail.
Cat license. I kind of want the Don Quixote
Yeah.
Crocs.
27.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want them. Pretty cool.
It's limited.
See, that's cheating, isn't it? Oh, it's kawaii. Chainsaw Man. That's pretty cool. Seaweed. Cool. Wow. That was ooh. That was interesting.
Yeah. Oh, this thing.
There's a map. It's pretty big in there.
Other side.
So that was the Mega Don Quixote. Kind of wanted to go over there.
Sub or follow on the socials. Knox is Tox on IG and TokTok. Yes, I misspell on purpose to see if anyone notice. Have a great weekend.
We call it Blood Moon.